In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an A or B test in Lemlist. So from your dashboard in the left panel, go to campaigns. Now open up your campaign from the list. And once inside, head over to sequence. Now from the email steps, look for a specific step where you would like to apply the A or B test. So say for example, we have this email automation right here. And from here, all you have to do is click on this three dot icon inside this small window. And here you'll see an option that says A or B test this step. So click on it. Now a confirmation message will pop up. And from here, all you have to do is click on fill step B. And now here, tweak one key element, and that could be subject line or opening line or call to action. Just make sure to keep changes minimal so you know what actually made the difference. Next, Lemlist will automatically split your leads between version A and version B. And once done, just launch your campaign and monitor the results inside the campaign analytics. So you can check that in the overview section, and after enough data, keep the winning version and optimize further. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!